This is all the free stuff I got from 3 registry gift bags. I got Walmart's, Amazon, and Target's. This is the Walmart free registry gift box. You have to hold the register for 7 days. You have to make $10, I believe, of qualifying purchases, and then they'll ship the box for free to you. So this is how it comes. So the first thing is a personalized pocket-sized feeding guide. It has a lot of information, it has it in English and Spanish. Just feeding stuff, milestones. It's just a little book. I thought that was really cute. You get a sample of Aquaphor. There is a sample of formula. There's just a little promo booklet in there as well. There's another formula sample, a Tommy Tippy Natural Start bottle. There's 3 Carter's long sleeve white bodysuits, 0 to 3 months. Ooh, what is this? I don't know if it's like an insulated bag or like a makeup bag. I always like having these for like diapers and wipes and stuff. Oh, there's 2 of them? 2 wet dry bags in here. I like that a lot. There's a Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. I know a lot of people really love this one. There's a sample of Huggies size 1 diapers, 3 of them. There's a sample of Huggies wipies. It's a solid size pack. Normally they're smaller, and this is a resealable one. Water wipes, of course. We love water wipes. A sample of Pampers sensitive wipes. Never have too many wipes. Honest brand wipes as well. So that's all that comes in the Walmart registry box. I think it's really good. For $10 of shopping at Walmart, I think it's a really, really good box. No, thank you. I have a little helper. I think it's definitely a box worth it. Overall, I think the Walmart box is really nice. It's a really good value, and it comes with quite a bit of good stuff. So that's the Walmart box. Okay, and then this is the Amazon registry bag. For Amazon, you do have to spend $10 off your registry, but it is also free shipping. Okay, so the first thing, color pop thing. There's a sample of 1 pure diaper, size 1. Sample of Aquaphor. There's a MAM bottle and a MAM pacifier. The Dr. Brown's bottles, there's a lot of these. These seem to be really popular. Again, Swaddle Design Organic onesie, but it's really cute. Little cute green color. A sample of Palmer's Skin Therapy Oil and the Cocoa Butter Stretch Marks. Of course, there's always promo material. So there is a newborn muslin swaddle. It's a blanket. That is what comes with the Amazon registry items. I think it's worth using my registry. I'm already going to use it for $10, so I don't know if it's worth going out of your way for, but this is what you get. And so yeah, that's the Amazon free registry gift bag. This is the Target registry gift bag. You do have to either pay shipping or spend the $35 to get free shipping with this one. It's a cute little bag. Millie Moon, a 2-pack of diapers. So Millie Moon. Baby wipes, Up and Up brand of wipes. There's a sample of the pure Pampers diaper, size 1. There's a Lancino nursing pad and breast milk storage bag sample inside. Kendamil infant formula sample. Up and Up sample of diapers. Of course, there's promo material. Philips Advent bottle. Whole Philips Advent bottle. A Dr. Brown's bottle. Seems like every registry kind of gives you a Dr. Brown's bottle. Sample of Up and Up shampoo and baby wash. It's all tiny. A Bibs pacifier. There's a tiny little bottle of newborn balm. It's just a sample of gripe water. Bottle and dish soap. I've never heard of them. Dapple baby and baby wash. Packet of Honest wipe samples. It's definitely more worth it if it's for the free shipping. That's a Target registry gift bag. It's a lot of stuff. Overall, it's a good haul from these 3 brands. Pretty good.